Hey, let's go. Bet.
Bye. Oh my gosh, it's bright. Sunglasses. Okay, I'm on my way to Pizzy's house. Pizzy has been working on a special little project for me. He's been building me like a cheap RC car. Like he's been totally pimping it out, upgrading it, putting in metal stuff. Like I look at a car or a plane compared to a drone, I'm like, this thing is so complicated. You say the word servo, I start to freak out. Like it's crazy. But I'm super pumped to see what he's done with this car and to drive it and to call it my own. So we're gonna go over there, pick up the car, maybe play around with them a little bit, and head on home. Also, I feel like I need to talk about this thing going on here. I am not like totally full of my beard or anything like that. Well, I am a little bit, but not to that degree. My friend Torrin Simpson is a camera guy for DRL, and he's also a producer and runs his own company called Beard God Media House. Torrin is 6'7", built like a Viking, and has a beard to match. Go check him out on Instagram.
Hey, let's go. Bet.
All right, we just pulled up. I'm working on this theory that Patrick is like a lost puppy. He like waits by the door, curled up in the corner, just kind of waiting for people to show up at his house and let him out. Let's see. It's that one.
What's up, dude?
Confirmed.
What's up?
Did you break it already?
No, it's fine.
I literally haven't even seen it yet.
It's actually good. It's actually good. So this is it. Here's the bugs. Dude, it's hilarious.
It's a 4WD
It
rocket.
says Mattel somewhere. Look, Mattel.
Mattel.
Alright.
We are ready. GoPro mounted, FPV installed. There's a Crossfire in there. There's a TBS Unify that will do 800 milliwatts. We got a long range snowblower, snowplow. You need your clear view?
Yeah. Oh, man, you are the man. Alright.
Got that one on camera at least. So where are we going? Spot number 1! Not as well lit as we hoped, but should still be fun.
Hey, let's go. Bet. Yo, once again I'm back around. Real shit back in style. Haters reconcile. I'm so black and proud. First class tickets now. Feet all in the eye. Everybody looking down. Everybody get red when you drown, huh? Look at me up. I'm putting it down. You picking it up. Checking the models. They want us to go to.
God dang it. And that's why I haven't gotten an RC car yet. First battery. Okay, maybe second battery. First FPV battery.
First FPV.
You see how this thing is all jiggly jiggly?
Oh man.
That's what you don't want.
You didn't break the bumper? Yeah.
That's amazing.
It's broken a little.
Dude, I can take a quad and smash it into the ground at 80 miles an hour like 50,000 times when I get one RC car. Admittedly a cheap one.
It is.
But I wasn't going that fast. I guess we'll have to look at the GoPro footage. Maybe I was just hauling ass and I didn't realize it. But man.
You can't tell how fast you're going.
Hey, let's go. Bet. Yo, once again I'm back around. Real shit back in style. Haters reconcile. I'm so black and proud. First class tickets now. Feet all in the eye. Everybody looking down. Everybody get red when you drown, huh? Looking me up, I'm putting it down, you picking it up. Checking the models, they want us to go to college just so we can be stuck. Go to school to make a living, or teach yourself to make a fortune. Common sense, welcome to the apocalypse, bitch, I'm one of the horsemen. I don't need your endorsement, I don't need reinforcement. Giving you your last warning, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Whoa. Have I gone too far? Do you detect something different? If you look inside my head, would you say something's missing? If you could give all your riches just to say the word, would you risk it? These politicians so old, can't tell if the dead where they living. Better ask Kathy Griffin, you know I like to raise stakes. We was always taught to hit the gas, we ain't even know they made brakes. We control our own fate, watching dreams take shape. Try to keep us out, we gon' freak out, turn this bitch to water cake. I don't need your mandate, don't need you to elevate. I'm about to detonate, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Said I'm at my prime. We at our prime. Hey, hey, we at our prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Hey, hey, I'm at my prime. Whoa, said I'm at my prime.
Oh, my shit's broke. Yep, I'm done.
Said I'm at my prime.